Hi there, it's Becca here from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm showing you around this 2017 Toyota Yaris XL. This is the 1.5 litre petrol hybrid automatic, and it comes from two previous owners and has 45,000 miles on the clock. Now this is a Motormatch approved used vehicle, so it does come with a 30-day or 1,000 miles warranty. And if the car interests you at all, feel free to give us a call on 01244 311 404. So starting off with a 360-degree tour around the vehicle, you've got automatic headlights at the front alongside your LED daytime running lights. And as we move around to the side of the vehicle, you'll find the 15-inch 8 double-spoke alloy wheels, looking great there against the platinum bronze metallic paint. Into the rear of the vehicle, you'll see we have the half leather upholstery, nice and spacious in the back there. And as we move around to the rear of the vehicle, you see you've got your Yaris and hybrid badging. Into the boot itself, you can see it is nice and spacious in here, and you do have the ability to fold your rear seats down if needed. The car boasts privacy glass in the rear, adding to the sleek look of the car. And as we take a look around your driver's interior, everything is looking nice and tidy here, and your half leather upholstery continues into the front. So that concludes our 360 tour. I'm going to head back inside now and show you some more of the interior features. Moving over to the right hand side, you've got electric windows all around the vehicle along with your central locking controls there, and then you've got your start button and door mirror adjustments just behind the steering wheel. The car also boasts the collision warning and the lane keep assist, which as you can see the buttons are just below there. The steering wheel is multifunction as you can see, so you've got your volume and voice controls on there. You've also got access to the cruise control stalk, which is great to have for motorway driving. Taking a look up at your dials, you can see your exact mileage displays on there for you. You can also flick through and take a look at things such as your assistance features and your current media options. Moving across to the media system, you've got plenty of features to choose from within here. As you can see, the car does boast Bluetooth connectivity for both telephone calls and for streaming music, so you can easily make those calls on the go. Into the settings, you can adjust everything from the screen settings to your Bluetooth. You can also take a look at any vehicle settings as well and adjust those accordingly. Under the vehicle tab, you'll find your trip information and the energy monitor, so you can take a look at how your battery charge is doing. Just going into the trip information there. Keeps track of things including your miles per gallon and the average electricity you've regenerated by driving. Into the media tab, you can see you've got plenty of options here too. You do have access to FM, AM and DAB radio wave bands, and you can of course stream your own music via Bluetooth like I mentioned earlier, or connect your own devices via USB. Taking a look at the DAB station list, you've got plenty of preloaded stations to choose from, so you can easily find your favourites. Popping the car into reverse here brings up the reversing camera, which just offers a helping hand when it comes to parking. Moving down from the media screen, you'll find your dual zone climate control. You can sync the two sides up like I've done here, or simply click the dual button to separate those two zones and adjust the temperature on either side. It does work nice and effectively for you, and it's nice and easy to use. Underneath, you'll find your 12-volt socket and USB port along with your automatic gear selector. You've got your EV modes and your handbrake in the centre console. So that concludes our video tour around this 2017 Toyota Yaris XL. Remember, this is a Motormatch approved used vehicle, so it does come with a 30-day or 1,000 miles warranty, and 3 years RAC warranty is available, as well as flexible finance packages. Please note that all our cars are subject to a £150 admin fee to cover provenance checks. For a personal finance quote or to book a test drive, feel free to give us a call on 01244 311 404. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon here at Motormatch Chester.